questions, not from our perspective?
Hearing silence, then I guess we'll go on the record and get started. Good afternoon. This is a status conference on docket 8613, an investigation pursuant to 30 VSA sections 30 and 209 into sound levels from the Georgia Mountain Community Wind LLC wind electric generation facility in Georgia, Vermont. My name is John Potter. I've been appointed hearing officer for this proceeding. With me today are two other board staffers, Andrew Pugh on my right and Monica Stillman on my left. Why don't we go ahead and start out by taking party appearances?
Eric Kasicki on behalf of the Department of Public Service.
Melody McLean.
Andy Rob Vogel with Dunhill Saunders for Georgia Mountain Community Wind, LLC, and with me is my colleague, Sash Lewis.
Is Mr. Lewis an attorney at your firm?
He is, yes.
Okay, thanks. We haven't met yet. Nice to meet you. The last time we met was November 30th, 2015, when we had the pre-hearing conference. And during the pre-hearing conference, the parties asked that I issue a ruling on this initial question of whether Georgia Mountain Community Wind needed to take any steps in response to the complaint that the McLeans had filed regarding sound levels from the project during the evening of September 18th, 2015. Nobody asked for an additional opportunity to submit further briefing, and I was just asked to issue a decision based upon the various filings that had been made prior to the pre-hearing conference. On December 15th of 2015, I did issue an order in which I determined that Georgia Mountain Community Wind did indeed need to take some actions in response to the McLean's complaints. Specifically, Georgia Mountain Community Wind was directed to perform, informed that it would need to perform sound modeling to determine exterior sound levels at the McLean residence on the evening of September 18th, 2015. And in that order, what I indicated that we would discuss today a schedule for having the sound modeling done, and when the reports on the sound modeling, when the results were filed with the board and served on the parties, that folks would have an opportunity to file written recommendations on how to proceed. So my thinking about what we're here to do today is to set a deadline to have the results of the sound modeling concluded and filed, and to then set a deadline for parties to make further recommendations, unless folks have other recommendations that we should consider here today in terms of moving forward. So have the parties discussed next steps and scheduling it all amongst each other?
We haven't, although I think I can make this easy for everybody. We're prepared to file within a week. I was hoping to actually, there was a chance we were going to try to file by today, but that didn't happen. But we can. The modeling that the hearing officer has laid out in your order is understandable to us. Without any clarification, we can file within a week. And then in your order, you had stated that parties would have 1 week from that filing to file comments and recommendations. So we would simply recommend sticking with that schedule.
Okay. Mrs. McLean?
That sounds fine.
Okay. Mr. Kasicki?
The only thing I'd like to add is I would request that we have 2 weeks to file comments in response to the modeling, just because we'd like to put it before our experts and have a review of it. It will take some time, probably more than a week.
Okay.
2 weeks to be sufficient.
The one other thing that I would ask people to keep in mind, what we'll do is I can issue a scheduling order very quickly that memorializes this. Do you want to say a week from Friday, Mr. Rob Vogel?
That's fine, and if we can get it in earlier, we will.
Yeah. Okay. And then we'll go 2 weeks from this Friday for recommendations and responses on how to proceed. The one thing I would ask folks to keep in mind, though, is when you get the results of the modeling, if they do trigger some, perhaps a need, for example, to ask to perform some kind of discovery, or even if it's just an informal exchange of information regarding the support for the modeling results, something like that. This is sort of an uncharted territory right now. To please ask for that time, and to ask for that time in advance of the deadline on which the party recommendations are due in response to the modeling, as opposed to filing that on the deadline itself. That tends to sort of jam things up a little bit, and can make it difficult to respond in a timely fashion, for the board to respond in a timely fashion. So, let's see if I can actually figure the dates out here. We are, so, Friday, January 29th, Georgia Mountain Community Wind will file the results of the sound modeling required by the December 15th, 2015 order and serve those on the other parties. And then 2 weeks from that date, which would be Friday, February 12th, the parties can submit written recommendations on how to proceed in light of the results of the sound modeling. Okay, I didn't have anything else on my agenda for today. If any of the other parties do, now's the time to bring it up. Okay, everything seems nice and quiet. I will get out a scheduling order to that effect probably tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for your time. We're adjourned.